So today I'm going to show you one way to look at customer profitability in QuickBooks Online. So to do this, head over to your Reports tab and scroll down over to Profit and Loss by Customer. Once you're there, so suppose you want to look at the profitability of a client overall. So select all dates and go over to Customize. And you want to filter this report by customer and select the customer you're interested in looking at the profitability for. Go ahead and run your report, and here QuickBooks Online reports your income, expenses, and your profit for this project. Now, in order for this to work, as you're running your expenses, you need to make sure that you're properly job costing, in which the expense is linked to a client. If this is done properly, your reports should be accurate.